Welcome to our new website. Let's go over some of our new and improved features. Our website layout has changed slightly, but you will find all of the familiar sections at the very top of our page. Here you can navigate the individual sections of our website. What's new includes pieces recently added to our collection. Be sure to check this daily in order to discover the newest additions to our inventory. Native American and Fine Art houses all of our artwork, including Native American textiles, jewelry, baskets, and pottery, as well as contemporary Western art from our represented artists. There are over 7,000 items to look through in this section. They are all divided into subcategories to make it easy for you to navigate. You can sort product pages to order by name and price, and you can change the number of products that appear on each page. On our product pages, you will find specific information about each item. Some items now feature a 360 view of the product. To use the 360 viewer, simply click the 360 icon, then click and drag your mouse over the product image. You can also now add products to your personal wish list. This list can be shared with your family and friends. The Collections tab includes recent acquisitions to the gallery. Here you will find important estate and private collections that are available for purchase. If you subscribe to our mailing list, this is the section where you'll see the collections featured on our Wednesday e-blast. The most recent collections will always be at the top of the page. If you would like to sell your art, simply fill out your contact information and attach images. Under Events and News, you will find all of our upcoming events, artist profiles, and links to our video and text publications. The About Us section includes information about Medicine Man Gallery, as well as information about gallery owner Mark Sublet. To contact us by phone or email or for directions to the gallery, click here. Finally, if you wish to make a donation to the Sublet Family Foundation, you can do so by navigating to our Donate section. The Sublet Family Foundation serves to foster education, understanding, appreciation, acquisition, and support for 501(c) cultural and artistic endeavors. You can also find links to our social media at the bottom of our website. If you're interested, like us on Facebook, give us a follow on Instagram, or subscribe to us on YouTube. To join our email list, use the link at the bottom of the homepage. Happy collecting!